Welcome. In this video, we will talk about the Mobile Usability Report in Google Search Console, what it is, what it shows, and how it helps you improve your website's SEO performance. The Mobile Usability Report in GSC shows you whether your site is mobile friendly. It detects issues that prevents visitors from using your website easily on smartphones. Since Google uses mobile first indexing, mobile usability directly affects your rankings. If your site has errors in this report, it can lower your SEO visibility. The report highlights issues like text too small to read, clickable elements too closer together, content wider than screen, viewport not set properly. For example, if your page text is tiny on mobile or button overlaps, Google will flag it. The report helps you fix those problems before they hurt SEO. You can find the Mobile Usability Report in Google Search Console, Experience, and Mobile Usability. It lists errors and valid pages. Once you fix issues like resizing text, adjusting layout, or setting the viewport, you can click Validate Fix in GSC. Google will then recheck and confirm. The best practices are like use responsive web design. Ensure text is readable without zoom. Keep button easy to tap. Test with Google Mobile Friendly Test. The Mobile Usability Report shows how mobile friendly your site is. Fixing its issues improves user experience, SEO rankings, and traffic. Thanks for watching. Check your Mobile Usability Report today and fix any errors to stay ahead in SEO. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO insights.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.